Hi, this is Umar, and you are watching Building Information Modeling for BIM video series. BIM is going to be more efficient with another major shift in construction industry. Brick is one of the oldest building materials dating back from 7000 BC for sun-hardened varieties and 3500 BC for the first fired blocks. It is also among the most versatile, used for modern abstract menorah shapes and stunning arches. Even the method of laying bricks, spreading mortar, positioning a brick, and smoothing is still the same. Now, one company aims to augment this 1000-year-old tradition through technology. Australian-based construction technology firm FBR has developed Hadrian X, a bricklaying robot that can do its work without any human intervention. This technology could provide wide-reaching benefits, including addressing house shortages around the world, and along with BIM, it will also give us added and huge cut up in cost, as there are not enough people to build houses fast enough. We need to automate the process through mass construction, and this is one of the way it can be done. There is also an opportunity to rebuild after natural disasters strike. These robots putting up housing structures quickly in disaster areas. Hadrian X precision could also improve efficiency, resulting in houses that can be built faster and cost less than traditional methods. And Hadrian X promotes a lean construction approach in which productivity increases and waste decreases. We take a single source of data, and from there we will know the number of blocks and the amount of adhesive required given the lay pattern. So you are fully informed upfront what waste, if any, there will be. With these benefits, we will be able to add more perfection to BIM. Using Cartesian coordinates and parametric design, CAD software transforms data into well-structured brick metadata, with every brick and its corresponding coordinates known. The software then uses the metadata to populate the brick into particular nesting pattern, and with the help of an algorithm determines how to lay out the brick according to the pattern and other parameters such as the size of the robot's layhead and how it grips the block. For Hadrian X wall system, FBR designed its own block and block geometry. The notion of a block is based on a human handling a brick and laying it at a certain rate. Hadrian X block have been optimized to ensure wall thickness and consistent. They are 12 times larger than a standard brick to maximize lay rate. Hadrian X is capable of laying one block every 45 to 55 seconds. FBR uses a special adhesive that bonds faster and holds stronger than traditional mortar. For the actual operating mechanics of the machine, aeronautics, mechanical engineering, robotics, mathematics, and dynamic stabilization technology DST has been used. DST enables accurate positioning of block over large distances in 3D space, counteracting the effect of wind, vibration, and other environmental factors to keep block at their precise location. This stability allows Hadrian X to be mounted onto other bases, including barges, boats, cranes, and tracks, and to be used for bricklaying in other sites. The company already signed an agreement with GP Vivienda, the housing division of Grupo GP, one of Mexico's largest construction companies, to explore pilot programs in the country. The firm also signed a memorandum of understanding with the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia to discuss a project building 50,000 new homes. Another partnership is in place with Weinberger, an Austrian-based clay block manufacturer, to create optimized clay blocks for Hadrian X and plan to pilot project in Europe. Back home in Australia, FBR has partnered with Brickworks, a major supplier of building products, to deliver Wall as a Service across the country. Through Wall as a Service, Brickworks will supply special concrete masonry blocks for FBR bricklaying robot to build the walls. Focusing on residential projects, company believes that Hadrian X has the potential to change the construction industry. Disruption only comes when you look at your industry from a completely different angle.